Hello students, I tell you the list of important topic for your last 22 days. ठीक है, अभी prelims आने वाला है, तो what you have to do, you have to focus on mainly number system, statement based question where general statement and data sufficiency question, reasoning, yes, reading comprehension, refer PYQ for more conceptual clarity, and those who are our enrolled student, theme based lectures are very important because it will help you to gain 10 to 15 marks. See here, there is a surprise element which I can see in our prelims exam. See, UPSC, if they will go for a 2024 difficulty level, that is good. But if they want to go for 2023 difficulty level, then what option UPSC have? One option is P and C, which I will say not possible. Why? What happened after 2023 paper? Many students, they put a complaint, they put a case. The UPSC don't want to repeat that mistake, so they don't want like student to hesitate about this. Second option is number system. In that they can increase difficulty level. Yes, there is a possibility. Third is in data sufficiency, statement based question. They might ask more question. Like in 2024 there were 12 question. So my idea is might be 15 to 18 question can be asked from this, because it will add on to difficulty level to that question. Fourth possibility is they will ask quant topic question which are on difficult side, then it lead to the CAT level, so chances are less. So here there is one possibility, this will be 2024 difficulty level, that will be good for us. But if they want to further increase the difficulty level of CSAT paper as in 2023 they ask, so these are the two possibilities we can see. Okay, so here focus on this two main part, that is very important. So out of 53 questions from my area, remaining 27 from reading comprehension. So what you have to do, if you attempt 15 questions from here, you have to target 30 questions from my area. If you target 20 questions from reading comprehension, this is quant, reasoning, DI, DS, this part. So then you have to target 25 plus question here. If you are targeting 25 question here, then you have to target 20 plus question. So make sure you attempt 45 or 50 question with 80% of accuracy. This is one thing which is very important in this last phase of your preparation. Then next is important topic. See here, you can quickly revise percentage, counting of figures, squares, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, cube and dice, calendar clock, time and work, profit and loss, arithmetic progression. AP is arithmetic progression, train, time, speed, distance, race, Venn diagram, P and C probability, a quick revision, problem on ACEs. Now next is list important topic. If you have surplus time, then you work on this. Otherwise, at this time, you can skip this. Whatever knowledge you have, that will help you. Simple and compound interest, data interpretation, geometry mensuration, board stream, geometric progression, partnership. These are the least important topic what we have in our UPSC syllabus actually. So here, this is the idea. So you channelize your energy in such a way so that you will able to qualify this CSAT, because I have n number of results this year also. We got 25 plus selection, and many of them like they miss CSAT in 1 or 2 attempt. Then they have cleared the 2024 CSAT. I know I get that type of candidate. Those are very good in answer writing, but they are facing problem in CSAT. But what is important, like after this lecture, after your hard work, the way you handle the question, that is very important. So whenever you read question, there should be 3 type of response. One is a question where you select and solve. If you find question is doable, easy, you immediately select and solve. Second type of question is select and hold. You can put a question mark on that question, which you can do in second reading, which you feel like maybe 3, 4, 5 minute time consuming, you know, but you feel like it will be time consuming for you. Third type of question is reject and move. So you find questions are difficult, will take more than 4 minutes, or you don't know the concept, immediately reject. Don't get stuck with the difficult question. And make sure when you do test series or when you do your UPSC exam, especially all the easy question, you should have 100% attemptation. Don't have that feeling after the exam you feel like, oh, this is the easy question I missed, last तक तो मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाया, last के 15 क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ ही नहीं पाया. All these are excuses. So make sure you attempt your paper in such a way that each and every easy question you attempt with 100% accuracy. And if there are difficult question, if you know the skill to handle difficult question handle, otherwise skip it. Difficult question is like madhumakhi ka chhatta. If you know the skill to get a honey out of that, attempt. Otherwise, don't take panga. Immediately skip those questions. If you get stuck with 3-4 difficult questions, then there will be panic situation. So difficult question, if you feel like you are not able to attempt, immediately you have to move to next question. And all the easy question, 100% attemptation with 100% accuracy. Moderate question, depend. If it is manageable, manage. If you feel more time consuming, you skip that. Okay. All the best to all of you. So give your best, give your 100%. So here you will able to qualify this exam, prelims exam. Thank you, students.